Hare Krishna. What motivated you to come out with this book? The motivation comes from His Holiness Bhakti Dhira Damodara. If you don't have a strong relationship with the spiritual master, our spiritual life is going to be a show. Many devotees have relationship with the spiritual master based on managerial issues. But the deep spiritual relationship is not there. So the idea of trying to help devotees to understand the dynamics of spiritual connection with the spiritual master, it came in. Therefore, we put our heads together to make this book available for devotees, so we can understand the importance of being connected. Our duty as a devotee, the 64 principles, when we look at it, the beginning of it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is all about spiritual master. One should approach a spiritual master, one should take shelter of a spiritual master, one should have a spiritual master, one should be trained, be under him. We cannot make advancement in our Christian consciousness if you're not connected. Those who have not established their relationship, when the spiritual master was physically present, they will suffer the most. So what is this spiritual connection? The spiritual connection means that we are eternally connected spiritual entities with Krishna. We are eternally connected with Krishna. But our material existence is making it, or has made it, very, very difficult for us to see that. So a spiritual connection means that a devotee is very conscious of the spiritual master. If we are not conscious of the spiritual master, we will not see the need for being serious in our practice. This is the danger of not being connected with the spiritual master. We are going to suffer unnecessarily, materially and spiritually, because we are not going to be anywhere. So this spiritual connection book, or this book teaching how to be connected with the spiritual master, it is necessary for every devotee to take advantage. It is a simple thing in a very simple language, very, very direct and very, very clear. It deals with all these pastime, a story which all of us have already known. But it has a footnote which make it essential, the essential point which we need to know to apply in our life, which is missing. This book addresses this to help devotees understand why we have come to this Krishna consciousness. What are the things we need to do, and how to do them, to have a stable relationship with the spiritual master, so that whatever the spiritual master is experiencing in his spiritual position, the Krishna consciousness is having, it will flow through the disciples. And this is the current of spirituality, and we call it parampara. The current has to flow through us. We have to think of the spiritual master constantly. So we came out with this book to help devotees have this connection. Hare Krishna.